Hi everybody, this is Brian with bsntech.com again, bringing you part 2 of the rainwater catchment system. Today it's pretty gross outside and it's actually raining. It's Christmas Eve actually when I'm taking this video. Beginning of this week I went down and got the 2 other rain barrels that I needed to complete the rainwater system, and I also made a couple other changes, so I'm going to go ahead and highlight what's been done today. Alright, first of all, here is the whole system. It's completely done. I've got 1 white barrel up there and 3 blue barrels. The white barrel allows me to see what the water level is, and right now it's about 1/3 full. It's been raining mostly all day, so the system allows for 220 gallons of water total. Now, one thing I made a difference of, or a change to, is underneath here. And you can see the PVC pipe. Now this part right here, this thing right here is what they call a PVC union, and what this will allow me to do is take apart, this unscrews, and then it will allow me to take apart the barrels one by one. Now I had to do this so I could take down the barrels for maintenance and cleaning later on, and the reason I had to put these in is because where these ties are right here, where they're going into the barrels, it was really leaking pretty bad right here at the seam, so I had to glue all of those together. So that's basically what the underneath of the barrel looks like. Let's go on top and look at the top of the barrels now. Okay, and we're up at the top of the barrels. This is the downspout. As you can see, I have it coming in right there, and it's going right into the barrel. Now there's a little bit of debris. I put a screen over the top, and this little piece of wood right here is holding it down. So there's actually a pretty good flow of water coming in right now off of this 24 by 24 foot roof, and it's working pretty good. Now over here on top of the other barrel, you can see right there it's not staying together very well, but that's another screen that I put over the air holes in each of the 3 blue barrels. This will allow the air to escape when the water is filling these barrels, and then it will allow the barrels to fill up to begin with. Now let's go take a look at the PVC pipe that will allow me to use it for the irrigation system. Okay, and for the last bit of the video here, you can see I've got the PVC pipe coming down. It's right there, and it curves over, and then it goes down like so. And then the first part right here, that's a red ball valve. And then I put a 3/4 inch PVC connector right here. It's a male threaded, and then I can hook a hose to it, and you can see the hose going along there. And then as it continues down, then you can see there's another ball valve, and this will allow me to do the irrigation for the back of the garage, which is right here. This is the back garden. And then there's another part right here that sticks out that goes this way. This part will go all the way along the back of the garage and straight forward to the front yard where I have another garden. In addition, there's also a garden back here in between the house and the garage, so that will also do that. That way I can control what part of the irrigation I should be doing, or what part of the garden needs a little bit of water. So that's it for the second part. Everything is working very well, and I've tested all the leaks, and the leaks are pretty much now all under control. So thanks for watching. This is again Brian with bsntech.com.